Iterating through directories with Python. I need to iterate through the subdirectories of a given directory and search for files. If I get a file, I have to open it and change the content and replace it with my own lines. I tried this. But I am getting an error. What am I doing wrong?
The actual walk through the directories works as you have coded it. If you replace the contents of the inner loop with a simple print statement, you can see that each file is found.
Another way of returning all files in subdirectories is to use the pathlib module, introduced in Python 3.4, which provides an object-oriented approach to handling file system paths. Pathlib is also available on Python 2.7 via the pathlib2 module on PyPy. Since Python 3.5, the glob module also supports recursive file finding. The file underscore list from either of the above approaches can be iterated over without the need for a nested loop.
From Python is greater than or equal to 3.5 onward, you can use glob.iglob // recursive equals true, and it seems the most Pythonic solution, i.e. output. Notes. glob.iglob. glob.iglob, path name, recursive equals false. Return an iterator which yields the same values as glob, without actually storing them all simultaneously. If recursive is true, the pattern *** will match any files and 0 or more directories and subdirectories. If the directory contains files starting with dot, they won't be matched by default. For example, consider a directory containing car.gif and .car.gif. You can also use glob pattern, which is the same as calling glob, with / added in front of the given relative pattern.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.